stepmom stole my entire inheritance, but she made one mistake that cost her everything. When my dad died, his will left me his house and $200,000. My stepmom told me Dad had changed his will before he died. She showed me a new document saying she got everything. I was devastated, but something about the document felt wrong. So I hired a lawyer. He looked at it for less than a minute and asked, "Where's the original?" My stepmom claimed it had been destroyed. Then my lawyer smiled, because my dad had already given his attorney a digitally signed copy, and it was completely different. The new will my stepmom showed me? Fake. She had forged my dad's signature. The lawyer reported it, and the house and inheritance were returned to me. But the best part? My dad had left one final note for me with his attorney. "If anyone tries to take what I left my son, make sure he knows I planned for this." I didn't just get my inheritance back. I got proof that my dad was protecting me, even after he was gone.